Have you ever found yourself too busy to eat healthy? Maybe you're juggling work, family, and a million other things, and healthy eating just seems impossible. You grab whatever's convenient, and before you know it, your diet feels like a chaotic mess. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? That no matter how packed your schedule is, you can still eat nutritious, delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. It's true, eating healthy doesn't have to be a time-consuming chore. In fact, I'm about to show you some game-changing tips that will transform the way you eat and give you back your time. Here's the problem: we live in a world where convenience often trumps health. We're constantly on the go, always rushing from one thing to the next. And that's where the mistake happens. You think you have no time to cook, no time to plan, and no time to focus on your nutrition. But what if I told you that in just a few simple steps, you could make healthy eating fit seamlessly into your life? Tip number 1, prep smart, not hard. The secret to healthy eating when you're busy is all in the prep. And no, I'm not talking about spending hours every Sunday in the kitchen. I'm talking about taking 10 to 15 minutes a day or even every few days to prep easy-to-grab ingredients, like washed veggies, cooked grains, or protein-packed snacks. Store them in clear containers so you can see exactly what you've got. The result? Healthy meals and snacks are always within reach. Tip number 2, master the 10-minute meal. Let's be real, there's always a moment when you're starving, but just don't have the energy to cook. This is where your 10-minute meal game comes in. Think of a healthy salad with pre-cooked chicken, a quick stir-fry, or even a smoothie packed with protein. These meals are not only quick to make, they're packed with nutrients, and they keep you fueled for the day ahead. Tip number 3, frozen is your friend. Don't overlook the power of your freezer. Pre-chopped vegetables, frozen berries, or even pre-cooked grains are lifesavers when time is tight. You can keep your freezer stocked with these time savers so you can throw together a healthy meal in minutes without a second thought. Tip number 4, embrace the one-pan wonder. If washing dishes is one of the things you dread most about cooking, this one's for you. One-pan meals are the answer to both quick and healthy eating. Toss your protein, veggies, and grains onto a baking sheet or skillet, season, and bake or saute. It's that simple. Less mess, less time, and more healthy food on your plate. Tip number 5, make use of meal kits. Don't be afraid to lean on meal kits when life gets overwhelming. They're designed for busy people like you, packed with fresh ingredients and simple instructions that can get you from hungry to healthy in no time. And the best part? You get to skip the grocery store and still eat like a gourmet chef. The bottom line? Eating healthy doesn't have to take hours, and it doesn't have to be complicated. It just takes a little planning, a few quick tips, and the mindset that you deserve to fuel your body with the good stuff, even when time is tight. So, the next time you're tempted to grab fast food or skip a meal because you're too busy, stop. Try one of these time-saving tips instead. Because you deserve the energy, vitality, and peace of mind that comes from eating right, even when life gets crazy. Which tip are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving hacks to help you eat better and feel amazing.